In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a whole PDF document on your iPhone. So to do this, open up your browser and search for Translate PDF. Make sure the PDF you want to translate is saved to your files. When you search for this, scroll down until you find Small PDF and click on it. Click on Choose File and open your files. Navigate to where your PDF is saved and select it. This is my own PDF. I'm going to click on Open. Here we are just going to wait for the AI to analyze the text in the PDF. So they are done analyzing, and here we have an option to translate the entire document or just a summary. Select on entire document and click on Translate. Here you're going to click on the drop down and select the language to which you want to translate your document. I'll select French. So here we can see translating to French. We're just going to wait for this because it might take a few seconds, and there you can see a document has been translated to French. In order to download this, click on the share icon down here. Click on Options and choose PDF in order to save this as a PDF. Click on Done and then scroll up and click on Save to File. So when you select your file directory, just click on Save.